Welcome to the Holland Computing Stars tutorial on using Globus. Here we will cover how to use Globus on a basic scale and how to set your local machine as an endpoint. First, go to your web browser and go to globus.org. Go to Login. Choose your organization. In this case, will be the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Click on Continue. Enter in your NUID and sign in. From here, you will be able to see the transfer screen in which you will select one endpoint and another. We will start off by setting your personal computer as an endpoint. To do this, go to Get to Globus Connect Personal. Enter in your computer's name. So in this case, I'm going to name this VM because this is a virtual machine. And then generate setup key. Click on Copy, and then select your operating system, in my case, Windows. Save your file. Run the file. Click on Install. Finish and run. And then copy and paste your setup key. Click on Yes. And then save. From here, go to Transfer Files. From here, go to Endpoint and select Administered by Me, and then select your current workstation. On the other side, you can use another endpoint such as Crane, which you can easily find by entering HCC, the pound symbol, and then the cluster you wish, but here I will be using Crane. You will need to authenticate yourself to use this endpoint, so click on Continue. And then sign in using your HCC account. Use Duo to authenticate yourself. From here, transferring files is easy as clicking on the file you wish to transfer and then clicking the transfer direction you wish to use. And then there will be a transfer request. So if you go to activity, you can see your request, which you can see that it's successfully completed from Crane to this machine. And if I open up my documents, you can see that pi2.c is there. So I'll refresh this side so you can actually see that. You can also use Globus to transfer files between clusters. So go to your endpoint and enter the name for the cluster you wish to transfer from or to. So in this case, I'll use Tusker. And you'll need to authenticate yourself with Tusker as well, or any other server. So from here, I will transfer this large file of 200 megabytes from Crane over to Tusker. And if we go to activity and refresh the page, we can see that has already completed.